Good morning, environmental scientists. It is Monday, the 6th of November, 2017, and I hope that you had a great weekend. I also hope that you're able this week to get your synthesis for the Chapter 8 and 9 assignment posted. Um, it was technically due last night. I got a lot of email from folks concerned about how to post their presentation. So I'm here to show you what to do, give you one more round of instructions. So you come out to your home page on Brightspace, click on our class, Environmental Science. And then what you need to do is click on Discussions. So Discussions is where you've been posting responses weekly to environmental news and critical thinking. And the only thing that's different about our discussion for this Chapter 8 and 9 is that it's under General Discussion. So if you come down here and go to General Discussion, Chapter 8 and 9 Synthesis, I'd like you to click on that. Here's my original post with some instruction. Here's Sydney's post. Sydney, I know that you reached out to me and had attached a keynote PowerPoint presentation and a movie. If you allow me access to those through Google Drive, which I think I requested just a minute ago, I think I can get those posted here and I can show you what to do. So Sydney, this is for you specifically. If you could let me into your Google Drive, I will get your files posted here. Our buddy Jake also was nice enough to post something back on October 25th. Nice job, Jake. I showed his example during class a couple weeks ago, even though he wasn't there. And I can show you now how to post just like Jake did. And so to do that, and if you haven't posted yet or you haven't done this yet, watch Jake's example. It's a pretty good one. If you come back out to the discussion list, Chapter 8 and 9 Synthesis, if you click on that, and then if you want to reply to this with your own response, click Start New Thread. I'm going to do a little test thread here. So a test thread from Nate. And then if I wanted to attach my PowerPoint presentation, what I would need to do is come down here to Add Attachments and then click on Upload. And so now what you need to do is come in here and find a PowerPoint presentation. I'm just going to post a PowerPoint here. It does not have narration, I should mention, but see Jake's example for how to get narration in there. And then if you hit post, post is required. What the heck? Oh, I got to write something in here. Blah, blah, blah. All right, so now I've got my attachment in there and I've got a post. If I click this, then you should see test thread from NAQ. So click on that, and then here's my link to my presentation. So it's upload. You're going to need to add content by going to upload. So again, it would be start a new thread, put the title of the thread, put some text, click add attachments, and that should get you in there. All right, so I know I'd got an email from like Time and Emma. Both Emmas had emailed me about how to get this set up, and so, oops, sorry. And so anyway, that's how I would get that going. I also late last week released the assignment from last week. There's no critical thinking, or sorry, there's no environmental news from last week, but there is a critical thinking assignment that I'd like you to complete. So if you come down here and click on discussions, you'll find that there is no environmental news for last week. So there's no environmental news for last week, what would have been week 11, but there is a critical thinking 11 that I'd like you to try to get knocked out by the time we meet on Thursday. And then I also released the next round of quizzing. So try to get started on that if you haven't already. And then when we meet on Thursday, we'll begin. I'll post the links to the Chapter 12 or the Week 12 material, and we'll do a little activity during class. All right, I look forward to seeing you on Thursday. We will have class. Please contact me if you have questions about anything about how to get your Chapter 8 and 9 synthesis posted. And if I don't hear from you before then I'll look forward to seeing you on Thursday. All right, thanks, gang.